हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब। इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करते हैं मे 4th वीक के इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। और इससे पहले मैंने मे 1st, 2nd और 3rd वीक के इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियो अपलोड किए हैं। एक बार आप सब ज़रूर देखिएगा और चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी, और ये दिन हर साल 22 मई को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। और इस साल की थीम है बिल्डिंग ए शेयर्ड फ्यूचर फॉर ऑल लाइफ। रिसेंटली टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया कंप्लीट्स हाउ मैनी ईयर्स? 25 ईयर्स। और ट्राई के जो चेयरमैन है वो है PD वाघेला। व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ वर्ल्ड्स लॉन्गेस्ट सस्पेंशन ब्रिज? स्काई ब्रिज 721, जो कि चेक रिपब्लिक में है। Who has been sworn in as Australia's new Prime Minister? Anthony Albanese. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Infosys? Salil Parikh. Who has been appointed as new Private Secretary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Vivek Kumar. Who has inaugurated Northeast Research Conclave 2022? Dharmendra Pradhan at IIT Guwahati. वर्ल्ड टर्टल डे, ये दिन हर साल 23 मई को ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है और थीम है सेलिब्रेट। Who has won the Amazon Sambhav Entrepreneurship Challenge 2022 award? Subhas Ola. Where is Quad Summit being held? Tokyo, Japan. With which company has RBL Bank collaborate for UPI payments? Amazon Pay. With which country has India recently signed an MOU for supply of fertilizer in the country? Jordan. Paytm will invest how much in its new joint venture named Paytm General Insurance Limited? 950 करोड़। और विवेक शेखर शर्मा को हाल ही में दोबारा रीअपॉइंट किया गया है MD and CEO of Paytm. How much amount of foreign direct investment inflow has been recorded in 2021-22? 83.57 billion US dollar. Who will lead Indian delegation at World Economic Forum 2022 held at Davos, Switzerland? Piyush Goyal. Who has launched BioRep portal for biotech researchers? डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह। और बायोरैप का फुल फॉर्म है द बायोलॉजिकल रिसर्च रेगुलेटरी अप्रूवल पोर्टल। हु हैज़ वॉन स्पेनिश ग्रैंड प्रिक्स? मैक्स वर्स्टैपन। Who has been appointed as new Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? Vinay Kumar Saxena. Which team has won the Indian Senior Women's National Championship 2022 title? Odisha. Who has been awarded the CII Axon Committed Leader Award? Anjali Pandey. Who has become the first player to hit 700 fours in Indian Premier League? Shikhar Dhawan. Which country became first country to make quarantine compulsory for monkeypox patient? Belgium. Which institute has signed an MOU with the Ministry of Railway on Hyperloop Technology, IIT Madras. Who has been appointed as first Commissioner of Unified Municipal Corporation of Delhi? Ganesh Bharti. What is full form of ASHA? Accredited Social Health Activist. World Directory of Modern Military Aircraft has released the World Air Power Ranking of 2022. According to report, what is rank of Indian Air Force? थर्ड, और टॉप पे है USA Air Force. वर्ल्ड थायराइड डे, और ये दिन हर साल 25 मई को ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है, और थीम है इट्स नॉट यू, इट्स योर थायराइड. Which airlines has been granted permission to restart commercial flights? Jet Airways. Which organization became the first in India to trade domestic gas on the Indian Gas Exchange? Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC. Who has been appointed as CEO of e-commerce venture JSW1 platform? Gaurav Sachdeva. What is full form of WARDAC? War Game Research and Development Center. What is the rank of India in World Economic Forum Travel and Tourism Development Index 2021? 54th, और टॉप पे है जापान. Which city became first metro city to get its biodiversity registered? Kolkata. Which ministry will organize National Mineral Congress? Ministry of Coal. Who has become the first woman to join the Army Aviation Corps at Combat Aviator? Captain Abhilasha Barak. Which state UT government launched संभव पोर्टल? उत्तर प्रदेश, और संभव का फुल फॉर्म है सिस्टमैटिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मैकेनिज्म फॉर ब्रिंगिंग हैप्पीनेस एंड वैल्यू. With which bank has Mahagram tied up for digital payment service? IndusInd Bank. Which book has won the 2022 International Booker Prize? Tomb of Sand. Name the supercomputer which has inaugurated at NIT Tiruchirappalli. Param Porul. Moody's forecast India's GDP at what percent? 8.8%. India signed an MOU with which country to establish a framework on climate action? United Arab Emirates. Who has inaugurated Bharat Drone Mahotsav 2022 in New Delhi? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which state UT has inducted 2 robots in firefighting fleets? Delhi. Who is the new chairman of WTO's Committee on Technical Barriers on Trade? Anwar Hussain Sheikh. India won how many medals at International Shooting Sports Federation Junior World Cup 2022 held in Germany? 33 medals, जिसमें से 13 गोल्ड, 15 सिल्वर और 5 ब्रॉन्ज है. Who has inaugurated India's first lavender festival at Bhadarwa, Jammu? Dr. Jitendra Singh. चलिए, वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम।